Hello friends, in this video let us discuss about dictionaries in Python. What is dictionary? Dictionaries are the Python implementation of data structures that is more generally known as associative array. A dictionary consists of a collection of key and value pairs. Each key value pair maps the key to associated value. Syntax: defining a dictionary by enclosing a comma separate list of key values pairs in kernel basis with a colon. A colon is separated each key from its value. It is a syntax for this uh, dictionary. Key value with starts with the curly brackets and key value and colon value 1, key 2 and value 2, and so on. Let us create a dictionary of sports persons of India. Let's name the dictionary is Sports India. Let's take this uh, play player hockey, this sports name and corresponding player name. Just like hockey player, one pissing, cricket player, Virat Kohli, football player, Sunil Chatterjee, and so on. Let us run these lines of code and just we call this Sports India dictionary. Yeah, beautifully. We have created a dictionary sports on corresponding values. Hockey player corresponding Manpreet Singh, and cricket player Virat Kohli, football player Sunil Chatterjee. Each key is separated. Each key is uh, correspondingly correspondingly separated with a colon and semicolon for this every this value dictionary values. Items. The item method returns the a view object. The view object contains a key value pair of dictionaries as a tuple in a list. Let us create this sport items, run these lines of code. Yeah, beautifully this dictionary of items are displayed here. These are like uh, with separated parentheses with each item is separated with a uh, semicolon and put in brackets, square brackets. Let us key. The key method returns the a view object. The view object contains the key of the dictionary, a list. Syntax for this is dictionary keys. It means that this displays the key values only. It is key displays key. Let us run these lines of code for this dictionary dot keys. Let's assign the x value and this print this x value. Let us see what happened here. Yeah, beautiful. These are the key values. Sports names are the key values here. Hockey player, cricket player, football player, kabaddi player, badminton player, tennis player, wrestler, boxer, racer. These are the key values. Like this, we will print separately values. The values method returns the view object. The view object contains the values of the dictionary as a list. Syntax for this values is dictionary dot values and uh, parentheses. Let us assign y is equal to sports.india values and print y. This lines run the lines of code. Yeah, beautifully. Dictionary values is this sportsman names is the values. Manpreet Singh, Virat Kohli, Sunil Chatterjee, Anup Kumar, PV Sindhu, Prajnesh Nyaswar, Branjal Punia, and Amit Pangal, Narayan Katren. These are the values. Like suppose I want to uh, uh, what it is uh, access the some item by key value. This is the key value. Badminton player is the keyword. By this get method, we can you can get the z is equal to sports dot India is the dictionary dot get bad. It is the key value. Just run this lines of code. What we will see. Yeah. badminton player PV Sindhu. We have get like this. We can also suppose I want to name racer name. For this, I am assigning a p is equal to sports dot get racer. Racer is the key value. Just run these lines of code. What happened you will see. And then cut train is the racer. Change values. We can change the value of the specific item referring the key name. So, by this method, update method, we can dictionary dot update and suppose I want to replace with some Pranjan Muneswaran in the name of tennis player. We will replace Sanya Mirza. Let us run these lines of code. What happened? We will see. Yeah, in the place of tennis player, we have we have replaced Sanya Mirza here. Like this, we can also replace any item in this dictionary. Suppose I want to replace cricket player with Virat Kohli with mm, Kohli, no, Virat Kohli with Rohit Sharma. For this dictionary data update, and I am putting this in place of Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma. Let us learn the lines of code. We will see. We will see the cricket player Rohit Sharma is in place of Kohli, Virat Kohli. Adding the item and update. Adding an item dictionary is done by using a index key, assigning value to it. Index key here we dictionary and it is a dictionary. Sports India is dictionary and cricket W is the key value we are adding and is the value one value is the we are adding Maithili Raj. Suppose I want to add cricket moments and Maithili Raj. Let us run these lines of code. What happened you will see. Beautifully we have added cricket women Maithili Raj. Remove item. There are several methods to remove the item from a dictionary. One of the best method is pop. Pop method removes the item with a specified key name. Sports India dot pop. Pop is the dictionary method. Racer. I want to remove. Just yeah. This racer cut. Run cut train is removed from this list. Yes or no? Copy a dictionary. You can also copy a dictionary simply by assigning a new dictionary value. Suppose I want suppose I want to create a duplicate dictionary to this sports India. Suppose sports 2 is called sports.india.copy. Let's learn this lines of code. Yeah, beautifully sportsman India 2 is created. We can also clear this list by using the method clear. For the syntax base, this is dictionary.clear. Let us assign h is equal to sports.clear. Let us then run this lines of code. Whatever you will see. Just just we have created a empty list here. Empty dictionary here. Set default method returns the value of the item with specified key. In the place of this is the car is the dictionary and the brand is the Ford and model is the Mustang and this is the year is the 1964. This set default is the uh, dictionary method color and white. It is print text. It is added with the white like this items. Earlier we have printed items, dictionary items. Like this we can also uh, print dictionary items like front Ford model mustard and year 1964. The get method like this earlier we have done get method. It is here is the car is the dictionary values and car dot get model is the I want to know the model of this uh, car. Just run this line must can yes that is run. And then the finally form keys method returns the dictionary with its specified keys and specified values. Syntax rig dot form key value, keys comma values. It is the key x is equal to key values and values is the uh, 0. Let us assign value is equal to 0. What happen we will see. Let's dict dot form keys. Yeah, beautifully it is valued every value to 0. This is one of the method. That's all about the dictionaries. Thank you.